God says, respect everyone. Don't look down on anyone. Remind no one of their past, for I have forgiven it all. Support and help those whom you love to grow. In this way, I will bless you more. I desire these blessings to be sown in others through you. From your heart will flow rivers of living water, abundant and refreshing, even those you meet on your path. They will receive miracles, wonders, and healing. They will see in your smile the hope they yearn for. And many who do not follow me will understand that I am real and true. I desire to see your heart ablaze, your eyes open, and your mind alert. You must be ready to welcome many blessings. This is the time to conquer the earth, to reap the fruits of your sacrifices and efforts. Nothing you have lived through will be in vain. All that I do in your life works for good. You and your family will witness great miracles in your home and understand the purpose I have for each of you. Please type, "I love you, Lord." Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.